How can I look up my USCIS attorney online account number?
Hello and welcome to this short guide on how to find your USCIS attorney online account number. It's essential to know your account number to manage your cases and communicate with USCIS efficiently. Let's walk through this process step by step.
What is a USCIS attorney online account?
Your USCIS online account number, also known as an A number, is a unique 7 to 9-digit number assigned by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. As an attorney, you can use this account to access your client's information, submit forms, pay fees, check the status of applications, and more.
Where can I find my USCIS attorney online account number?
Usually, the USCIS online account number is located on the top right of your account homepage when you log in to the USCIS online account. You can also find it on notices or receipts from the USCIS. If you've previously filed an application, petition, or request, your USCIS online account number can be found on your profile page after you log in.
What if I don't know my account number?
If you do not know your USCIS online account number, it can be retrieved by the following steps. 1. Log into your USCIS online account using your login credentials. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile section of your account. 3. In this section, you'll find your USCIS online account number. Remember, it's different from your A number if you have one. Please note, if you've lost access to your USCIS online account entirely and can't retrieve your account number, you may need to contact USCIS directly for assistance. Hopefully, this guide has helped you locate your USCIS attorney online account number. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact USCIS directly for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with all your immigration cases.